Only hate the road, missing home. Morning. Everyone. Mic check. Yeah, seems to be working. Mhm. Hey everyone. I was just checking on my setup. So start the day. We had unemployment claims at 8:30. However, we're gonna have President Trump speaking at 10 o'clock. Therefore, I'm not gonna trade anything until he talks, and maybe I'll place trades after that. Usually his speeches are very volatile, so I don't want to play with that. However, I'm bullish for the day due to the fact that we're trying to reach. We've come back into this fair value gap. We took the low. We're moving higher. Yesterday we had FOMC. They didn't change the rates. So now what I'm thinking is we attack this high and maybe the mid of the weekly week. I don't know if we're gonna move higher after that. I still believe we're gonna be stuck in this range. However, right now we've been having these relative equal lows, even here as well. Let's see if we attack them. I'm not gonna take any action on them. However, we can see there is certain liquidity here, and my idea would be we had the trending Asia, which means the mid of it is going to be respected, so the price can even come, just take these lows and then just move higher for the rest of the day. I'm going to trade carefully, and I don't like when we have these political speeches. Sorry, let me grab some water. I don't like when we have this type of political speeches because we're going to have a lot of volatility and a lot of PD arrays are not going to be respected, such as order block and fair value gaps. With that in mind, let's wait for the open. So yeah, and we have final wholesale inventories at 10 o'clock. So some news, and yeah, here we're trading inside this fair value gap. Let's see. Morning. Next. We have also relative equal highs here. There is a lot of liquidity lying around. So let's see first, are we going to reject this one? We have a lot of liquidity here as well. The easiest idea would be for me to see these lows being taken with a lot of speed during open, and then for us to attack equal highs, and ultimately the 276. That's just a small idea on how I would see the ideal day for me, considering what's been offered so far in pre-market. Only one thing concerns me about these relative equal lows. On the 4 hours, we have this fair value gap, which is small, but still significant. So we can drop into that, touch the Asian mid and move higher. Also touch this bullish breaker, low, high, lower, low, higher, high. That would be ideal, right? That's what's running in my mind. However, this is a break in market structure, so I'm conflicted about us taking this lows. So let's wait. Let's wait. Clearly, I don't want to trade the 10 a.m. I need to wait for the speech because I know it's gonna be hectic. Mm. Mm. We have 9 minutes left. We're touching this new week opening gap. We can touch again this fair value gap. I maybe move lower. I don't trust any move right now pre-market, so let's wait. Oh, it's a fair value gap after a fair value gap, so they can just respect this and shoot higher. Yeah, let's not trust the volatility before the open. As much as I'm inclined to trade, maybe before the speech, I'm not comfortable with that. I had a good trade yesterday after FOMC, 100 points, so I'm content. This is the volume imbalance on the E-mini. Probably they want to touch it. Yep, they did. They might attack the lows. Let's see. Let me check out here. They took out this short-term liquidity, some highs. They still left one, but yeah. Would be nice to see if we take 134. and 50 cents. Now at the open, just slam it, boom. That's a fair value gap in itself. Mm-mm. Let's see if they want to slam it lower from here. Morning, morning. Yep. Breaking market structure, fair value gap. Short this at the open if you want to risk it. Target 135 and you're done for the day. Touching again this old fair value gap. A lot of conviction now at the open. If they take this low right here, it's going lower. The only issue is that we have some short-term liquidity over here. Here it seems they have taken it. Not on the E-mini, so we might take it before open. Let's see. Yeah, that's a strong reaction. Also inversion fair value gap. We're under the midnight open. Let's see how they wanna slam it. Mm. Market is about to open. It's open. Taking the lows. Mm. We still have these relative equal highs here. You might want to take them down at the open. They still want to respect this, so I guess lower is the way to go. Yep. Almost took the low. Yep, as predicted. So let me show you something I did on one of my challenge accounts. Eh, Let me hide the checklist first. I guess you can see right here, I went short as I was showing inside the inversion fair value gap and inside the fair value gap that we were talking about. I went short and I covered these relative equal lows here. So yeah, that's one of the trades that I took on my challenge accounts. The reason I did not tell you is because the challenge account, it was a risky type of trade that I'm willing to take with my challenge accounts, but not with real money. Let me show you also, maybe I can show you the profit target. I like how it opens. For some reason, I cannot show you much. Oh, okay. Done. Yeah, now you can see. Only one account. I'm trying to reach 3,000. We made 600 today, and my value is at 51,156. Let's go back. Happy on how I executed. Maybe I should have waited for 124, but that's okay. Let's see how low they want to take it. My stance is still bullish. We have this equal highs, and this week's high. So far this week we have traded only the power of 3. We fill this gap. We're inside the daily inversion fair value gap. I expect we're gonna shoot higher. Might happen today with the speech. There is a chance we're not gonna get an entry because it's gonna be very volatile. However, you can trade off of this idea on how you want to have your entries, your exits. Yeah, let me think. You have Asian range. Meanwhile, I'm looking at the standard deviations. We can touch here. This is the mid of the Asian range and also the monthly high, which is an important level. So yeah, right now we can just go long and have a big stop loss like below the Asian mid, or this one would be. So use this one, and you're waiting basically today to reach 20,413. Let's see. I'll leave it here and let's see what's gonna happen. Where is 413? Yeah, we have this high here, which is perfect. So I think we're gonna take that high. With the speech and everything, we have some news boiling. And I'm gonna use only 3 micros on my funded account. Let's see. We don't have a first presentation for value gap yet. This is not present on the e-mini, so I'm not gonna use it. Let me delete all of this. It helped us, but that's it. We can use this as an inversion. And let's see the price. First presentation fair value gap. Inside is 5 minute fair value gap. Still believe you can go lower, so this can be used as an entry for short. And this would be 138 would be your stop loss. And you might aim for this low, 60. But I'm not gonna do that. It's not worth it. It's only 941, so this can be a breaker at the same time. Low, high, lower, low, and maybe we get a higher high, so let's wait. Mm. So yeah, I guess maybe you can use it as an inversion for value gap. Mm-hmm. Let's wait. I was thinking to buy this now, but no. I don't get myself in dangerous trades now. I said I want, so I'll just I'll watch it from the sidelines. I would like to buy it now so much. So much. $45. We take this low again. I'll just run quickly to the bathroom. I was thinking into the news if we can buy and basically attack these relative equal highs here, but there's no setup yet. We have power of 3 on the 5 minute. We hesitated to take this high, but now we are below the first presentation fair value gap, so I wanted for this to be a breaker. I guess this one can be a breaker too if they take the low, so. I'll be back quick. So as I said, use the first presentation fair value gap, short it, put your stop loss here, and you're fine. Beautiful. Beautiful. So far everything I said, it happened. Did we took this low? No. This one is next. 50. Yep. Crazy days. Crazy days. I'd be surprised if we just go lower until the end of the day. We attack these lows, these Asian lows. I'm a bit conflicted, but let's wait. I still believe there is a lot of liquidity up here, and 10 o'clock is going to show us a lot of volatility. So that's a good manipulation on their part if they want to send it higher. That's a good dip, basically. So yeah, let's stick with our initial plan. We're going to react afterwards if they just want to send it lower, but yeah. Let's see. So far we are quite on point. We made 600. $13 on our challenge account, and we still have the funded account, with which I'm gonna be patient. We're trading also inside 1 hour fair value gap, but I would like for this low to be taken one more time. Probably the news is gonna do it. Or no. It's gonna have to be a strong 10 o'clock in order for us to move higher. So let's see, can I watch his speech anywhere? Or at least listen to it. America is back. Okay, sure. Videos. Today, I have a new Chinese ambassador. US ambassador for China, basically. Which is interesting. Let's see if we can find anything on YouTube. People trading. The White House has a YouTube channel. Fascinating. Yeah, nothing yet, so I'll just wait for it. 5 more minutes, but I apologize. He might be late, so our morning session might be ruined because of that. Let's wait. It's insane for me to even consider trading or placing a trade before he starts talking, because he's just gonna go through the roof. It's gonna take any sell stops, buy stops, whatever they can. So let's wait. Patience is the key. We're still inside this fair value gap. Yep. Wait. Have relative equal lows, so not quite comfortable, not even to go long if, let's say, this is going to be a fair value gap. Nothing so far. Yep. I don't. Yep. No PD arrays will be respected in this type of environment. We need to wait. Hi, Mac Store. Morning. How is your morning? I'm saying morning because it's 10 o'clock in the US. For me, it's afternoon. I don't know how it is for everyone. Afternoon it is. Afternoon. Oh, come on, Mr. Trump. Mr. Trump. Talk already. 10 o'clock. I don't hear any speech. Nobody's talking. Yeah, he posted something. Briefings, statements, articles. Nothing. So yeah. What can I trade? It's even a red. It changed to red now. It's high impact news, so wholesale hit. Let's see. We don't have anything happening yet. I don't feel going long because we have relative vehicle lows here. I'm not gonna short for sure. So there's nothing much I can do now. Need to wait. We're touching a previous low. No setup for me. See. 1 hour fair value gap in form of a CB. Only 1 minute. 13. Let me try something here off the 30-second chart. Let me see 30 minutes if I have anything. Yeah, no. I forgot to connect my Apex. This is a short usually. I'm gonna get out. Uh-uh-uh. Mm-mm-mm. Nothing interesting. A lot of liquidity. This is not a buy. Let's watch it. Let's delete this one. Don't consider buying anything now. Just wait. Try to see if we get any speech or anything. Not here. See, nothing here. Nothing I can do when we're supposed to have a speech and they're delaying, they don't announce. It's just everyone for themselves. Yeah. Trying to find anything, but no help. Nobody says anything about any speech. That would have been a nice short. 120. Yeah. We took the relative equal lows and we're gonna touch the Asian mid soon. Even though it's not necessary, we are there, so yeah. I'll like this as a breaker. Yeah, no setup so far. Today he's supposed to be having a press pool inside the Oval Office, but yeah. It says no more upcoming events today. So yeah, nothing. This is liquidity in itself here. Yeah, I cannot trade this fair value gap, even though it looks enticing. Yeah, nothing's happening. I have no trades, no setups. Like, the only real trade would have been to short this. This would be the next target. Fair value gap. We're touching the Asian mid. All I'm thinking, are we really going for Asian lows? I don't believe we do, honestly. I just don't feel comfortable being in this position now. I don't know, man. We just touched Asian meat. It's just we dropped too much. I don't believe we can be bearish for the rest of the day. We have so much volatility, so much liquidity up here. It's just I'm not comfortable being short, even though I see the PD array being here, like the fair value gap and everything. But it's just I don't know, man. I'm with my finger on the trigger. I'm just not certain about it. I still have this reversal in my mind. If anything, I would like a long. Maybe a long with very tight top, which is this one. Gonna come back inside this fair value gap, inside this below this inversion fair value gap. Oh, yeah. Probably I'm getting a bit ahead of myself. But I know there is volatility coming, so in case they're gonna leave a breakaway gap. Yeah. It's a short at the same time, so it's just a gamble at the end of the day. Yeah, it is a gamble for sure. I like this reaction. Make or break. This high, this candle's high is the most important right now. Okay, we took the high, we're in. Not gonna change my stop loss because there is a lot of volatility here. I will just wait and see. That's gonna play out. Let me check out. Yeah, that's the reason. Yeah, unfortunately, they didn't let us. We're still holding this here. Mm-mm. Main target would be 229. Now it's optimistic, but let's see. If we move higher after this, I'm gonna consider adding. But my stop loss needs to be respected. This not. I want for this not to be touched. Yes, 5, and that's it. Let me check. Yeah, I still want for that to be respected. I want the price to shoot higher now. Mm. Yeah, I'm thinking about the same. Morning, Watson. Yeah. Move my stop loss. Pre-trade. I want to be right about that being a breakaway gap. This is a an order block. It's enough for me. Don't want to come down for it, that's fine, it's okay. I'll reconsider later. If this is a trap to go lower, I understand it. We're trading inside this fair value gap now. If we take these two highs again, it's just game on. Let's wait for the first presentation fair value gap. Yes, we gotta set some targets. I think this is a good start. Fair value gap. You might not want to respect it. Let's see. It's high. It's a high resistance type of run. So yeah, let's wait and see. My stop loss has a lot of liquidity underneath, so I'm expecting it to be touched now. So I'll just be patient. So yeah, let's wait. Maybe they wanna touch this again and just move higher, like this. Yeah. We try this. Speculative only 2 micros in case they just wanted to grab for this. Just in case. Yeah, it's going lower. No harm, no foul. One break even, $180 loss. So Is this a short? Mm-mm. That's a short. No, no, I'm fine. Actually, I'm not tilted. I don't want to go shorts. I still believe in my entry here. It's just very volatile. Uh, so yeah, no, I'm good. Let's see if they want to use this as a short. Maybe it's just a bearish day and my bias is wrong. So yeah, maybe this was just a short that I didn't take. That's about it. That can be just a short. Oh, that's a lot. Sorry to hear it. Yeah, you should be. You should be. Uh, lower, I don't like my entry. You know what, man? I don't believe in shorts. Let it go. Let it go. If it wants to be short, go. I don't like it. I know I have all the PD arrays, I just don't see today as being short. Obviously, it's just gonna crumble now, but it's just it's not my day for shorts. I don't know why. Might just go for Asian lows now. It's gonna be like a huge drop. Ah, go man, go. I know that was a short. I know. I don't know. It's just oh, call it instinct, call it experience. It's just I don't see these days as being us bearish. We're touching the Asian mid. We're respecting with the bodies of the candles. That's why I was so blatant about being long. I just mistimed it, but yeah. I know you've been high when you're feeling low. Fair enough. Good point. See, this is what um bums me today. This inversion fair value gap bodies respect, 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 respect. So hmm. Going on vacation to the countryside, man, that's beautiful. I wish I could do the same. I love being in the countryside. I'm gonna be back on Tuesday. Yeah, tomorrow I might be streaming, but I'm not trading. It's Friday, right? Yeah, I want to be profitable this week, so I'm not gonna trade. And next week is gonna be CPI, so don't rush for trading. I don't like trading CPI. I'm gonna be streaming, but I'm gonna be using 2 micros max. CPI for me is mentally draining, so yeah. Have fun. Have fun out there. Yeah, exactly. Leave technology away when you're in the nature. Even being short in this trade, you're like, come on, drop already. Or touching Asian meat again. I believe we're gonna have a spur of the moment in price very soon. Something violent. Hmm. Mm-mm. Opa. Ready or not? Here I come. My man. My man. My man. I'm not happy because I called it. I'm happy because I know we should be going higher. So don't try to manipulate me into thinking otherwise. I'm thinking, do I want to try a long and a tight stop loss? Am I doing something reckless? Wait, this is better adjusted. Fortunate. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, they're live. Mm. Yeah, it was a trap. See you. Have a nice good night. Good night. Thank you as well. Thank you. Uh. Trying to see if we can attack this move first and only 2 micros and add afterwards. But yeah, I don't know if we want to attack the Asian lows. It's just but yeah. I'm gonna let this run and I'll talk to you later. Peace.